Hi, welcome to Classic Car Cave. So I'm just going to give you a quick intro into this video. So Jeremy and Toby came and picked up the car. They stayed last night. Had a little problem with the exhaust which I had to fix. And then they drove down to Croatia this morning. I got up quite early with them. And I think they left about 8 o'clock and I think they got there about 4 o'clock. Car was fine. Seemed to have no real problems with it. It got a little bit hot, but apparently down there at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock tonight, it's 6 o'clock now, it's 39 degrees at the moment in Croatia. So God knows what it was on the road. It's going to be 33 here today. So it's been extremely hot and I think it's done really well. So I talked to Jeremy and I talked to Toby about it. They're very happy for me to give you all the ins and outs, all the problems we had, the things we fixed and solved, and all the costings of this. I hope people are interested in it. I mean, I'm not going to pull any punches, warts and all. What was put into this car to get it back to where it is now. Obviously now it's going to live in Croatia. It will probably only get used for 3 or 4 months of the year when they're there holidaying, and probably going no more than 30 kilometers from where they live. And tow a few jet skis and that kind of thing, so I won't see that journey hopefully again. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So I will make a part 3 and I'll make this part 2. I'll do a 3 and 4 and explain what everything cost. I'll also do a before and after, so I'll get some of the old footage when the car was wrecked or when it was damaged, accident damaged, and I'll just put in that and how it was and what we did to it. I'll even show the hours that we put into it and what I charge, which is quite a lot less than it would cost in the UK. But I'm not a commercial garage, and Jeremy's a friend. Jeremy and Toby are friends of ours, and we've become very friendly over the last few years, 3 or 4 years since we met. So anyway, I enjoy the video. This is really just a handover and them seeing the car in the flesh for the first time since the car was accident damaged. Yeah, just pull it over there. There we go. So first of all, you want to look at is, you see the headlights?
Yeah, are they good for left-hand drive? Right?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're for a left hooker. But they're already set up and everything. I'll show you how they work. They've got halos on them.
Yeah.
So if you want to carry on, have a look and I'll take it away for you. So just pop it back on.
Oh, look at that! Oh, that is so different to what it was. That has come out really. You must be chuffed with that.
Yeah, well, I want you to be chuffed with it.
Yeah. Oh. No, but you've done the work, and I know when you do the work on something, it's that's a different car to what we brought in, Dave. It really is.
So,
it's lovely. Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
honestly, that is amazing.
Sit in it and see what you think. You'll have to pair these. I don't know how to do it with these things.
Oh no, that's lovely.
Does your seat need to go back more?
No, that's completely fine for me. So different.
Yeah. Now what you'll find as well is the clutch is very low on it, so you might stall it the first few times.
Yeah, that's fine.
But you'll soon kind of get used to it.
That's a lot nicer. I prefer a lower clutch anyway.
Yeah, I mean, it really bites at the bottom.
Yeah.
So if you jump out, I'll show you something on the front here.
I'm not particularly.
It's easy enough, but yes.
Absolutely love that. Oh, is this the?
So when you see the lights,
oh, I love that.
okay, and you see the indicators.
Oh, that is so good.
Like that?
Yeah. What's it look like with the full beam on? Yeah. Might be able to see where we're going. So the halos are just the side lights.
Yeah.
And then, got it, yeah. No, I just wanted to see what it looked like with everything. That's phenomenal.
Right, I'll show you but you like
I absolutely love that.
I tell you what, that sounds sweet as a nut, doesn't it?
yeah. Why is that stone? I've got the ignition, that's all. No, what's happening there? Oh, I'm not going to be fixing it, am I? What's happening there? Ah. What's going on there? Try that out. Ah!
Oh, there you go.
That's a flash on.
Yeah. Bit worried then.
Yeah, that's so you can keep it. So if you look here, I'll take it up so you can have a look.
This is what?
There you go. It's a bit different, isn't it?
You got all that out. Look
Yeah.
at that. You've done all that. Got that back
Yeah.
on.
No, the wood was all smashed in with the net, the paint and everything.
Let me get it.
Which you don't trip on that
looks
front bit.
phenomenal, David.
And she runs really well. I think you'll be really pleased with the way she runs. And we even did this inside.
We ripped all that off. I didn't like to tell you that.
Make the handbrake really strong as well, because you said about the hill and all that.
Yeah, but though we had a brand new pan last week, exactly the same. You can drive me back down the hill, no matter how hard you pull it on.
So, I don't know if this has got on right, is it? Is it back in there? Oh, down the bottom. Yeah, there's one here.
Oh, I'm going to get a picture.
So, if you have a look, now remember where,
Yeah. Oh, the floor looks.
can you see where remember all this was stowed in?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you see where the join is, even?
I actually can't.
Exactly, so you can see.
No, I
If
don't
you
think I
can
can.
see,
I don't think I can see it.
say, well, there isn't a job.
Yeah.
No, honestly, I don't think.
But can you imagine when all this was
Yeah,
all this was stowed in, and so everything's, and it sounds nice as well. Yeah.
All this, all painted, all what's his name?
Oh, what's going on there? Yeah, so.
You're not doing too well with your lights today, are you?
No, I'm not. You know what? I've been in here for ages because it's so bloody hot. Well, this is the lightweight cover that Toby got for this Mini. Looks perfect. It's even got the bits on it, and really it goes into that little package there, so it's easy to keep in the back of the car. And when they're down in Croatia, rather than worry about putting the roof on, they take it with them. If it rains, pop it on. If it doesn't, they don't. And when they're leaving it, again, same thing. And Jeremy was saying maybe you can even use to be honest, with it tight like that, it doesn't need really anything, does it?
It's fine like that, Dave.
Yeah, that's perfect. There you go. What kind of money was that?
£59.
59 quid, guys, there you go. Perfect. Stop all the dust, crap getting in. There you go. Quite a bit of choke on, but remember to turn it off, right?
Yep. All good.
Safe trip, eh?
Yeah. Thanks very much, Dave, honestly.
You take care, mate. She looks great anyway.
Unbelievably happy.
Take care.
Yeah.
Ah, there it is, gone. So, that's one more. I just hope they get having any problems with it. It's quite a rundown. It's going to take them probably a good 8 hours, I would think, because I'll have to stop in different places. So that's the end of that for a while. So as usual, stay safe, keep the faith, enjoy your hobby, and I'll crack on with what's left in the garage, plus down in the bottom. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.